Today's question is, will AI replace teachers? So the short answer is no. Why do I feel this? So I used to be a teacher. I was an educator. I used to teach computer science at the University of Texas at Dallas, and people really liked my classes. And one of the reasons is the energy and enthusiasm and anecdotes that I brought to the classroom, which then got everyone really excited about learning, put them in the right frame of mind. And obviously, I delivered the core materials, but there was so much more that I did. I did lots of really cool hands-on projects. Let's build a neural network simulator, and so I always got great reviews, and people really enjoyed my classes, and they still send me emails randomly today. So would an AI have done that? I don't think so. However, if I had gone into a lecture and all I said was, okay, everybody, turn to page 15. Now let's all read together. Yeah, I could have probably been replaced by an AI if I was that bad and that boring. But I do like to think that a majority of educators actually do a lot more. And the most important thing that you can do is to inspire and motivate your students.